Hey, what's up, fam? It's John Crestani here, standing for freedom and family. And every day I learn about new exciting ways to make money online. I've earned over $25 million in the last 10 years. One of the most reliable methods is affiliate marketing. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage Anthropologie, which is like a really hot, fashionable, big clothing brand, out there, or not clothing, but it's like a premium brand, to create an online income just by talking about these premium products. Now, first things first, let's talk about Anthropologie and why it offers a fantastic money-making opportunity. And make sure you watch the whole video to the end, because every little bit of this information is going to be integral for you actually using this program successfully. Okay, so Anthropologie offers some pretty high quality eclectic clothing and home decor. It kind of grew out of Urban Outfitters back in the 90s, but since then it's grown into a $2 billion a year in sales company, thanks to 200 brick and mortar stores and their online affiliate program. But popularity isn't the only reason why Anthropologie is such a good affiliate opportunity. You could also have to consider the price point. Now, if you go ahead and Google Anthropologie and look at some of the prices, right, it means you're able to get paid out on some big priced products that are like over $1,000. And that's really good, especially when you're earning commissions as a percentage of the revenue. So let's talk about how the affiliate program works. Now, like other affiliate programs, your job as an Anthropologie affiliate is to refer sales to the company, right? Just to put links in your social media and talk about the company in videos or whatnot, right? Simple enough, right? And there are a few extra steps to consider, though. Is Anthropologie runs its affiliate program through a third-party company called LinkShare. Now, don't let this scare you, because LinkShare is actually a top-rated affiliate marketing network that works with hundreds of companies. So by signing up for a LinkShare account, which is the first step to get started making money with Anthropologie, you will actually have access to hundreds of other brands and companies that you can start earning money from. Let's talk about the types of promotions you can do. So once you're signed up to LinkShare and you have your affiliate link, you can start promoting Anthropologie products in a couple of different ways, which might surprise you. So for instance, Anthropologie actually encourages affiliates to drop ship their own products, which is not very common amongst these really big premium chains. So, it's a meaningful kind of innovation for them, which means you can create your own website, your own store that has just a bunch of Anthropologie products in it. But a website is by no means a prerequisite for working with Anthropologie's affiliate program, right? And if you're a clever promoter, you can rack up sales without even spending a dime of your own. You can, get the money flowing to you without spending anything, because you're just talking, on social media or posting about it in groups. John, how much money can I actually make with this program, though? What's the math? Okay, I got you. So the Anthropologie commission scale is actually pretty simple. There's no tiers, there's no levels, there's no bonuses. It doesn't cost any money to join their affiliate program. What you make is you make simply 6% of net sales. And in the case of some furniture, you can make up to 10% commissions. So let's talk income. Now, this simple maxi dress is $180. That means you'll get a $10.80 commission every time somebody buys it. Or how about this belt, right? This belt is $70. Now that's $4.20 right in your pocket. Or how about this furniture? Okay, so this mirror costs $1,600. Right, that means for every mirror that you sell, you'll get a $160 commission off of just one item. So you might be asking, how long will it take for you to earn $1,000, right? Well, if you only promote belts, you'd have to make 238 sales. 238 people have to buy a belt. But if you stick to high-priced furniture, you can get $1,000 in less than just 10 sales, right? What's that, like seven sales? And check this out. Anthropologie is actually very generous about how soon people have to buy after clicking your link. They use what are called cookies, which remain on people's computers for 30 days. So if somebody clicks on your link and doesn't decide to buy anything until after 30 days, you still get money. Okay, and of course, they track your performance through link share so you can see how much money you're making, how many people are clicking your links every single day. Now, a little proof of concept here is like, look, I don't like to spend my time or money into anything unless I know there's a really good chance I'm going to make a good return. Now, when it comes to Anthropologie's affiliate program, I decided to do some homework and find folks who are already seeing success, folks that are already in their affiliate program making money. So who here wants to see who these people are, what they're posting, and how much money they're making? Let's go. That's what we do here, baby. So here's a young lady on TikTok who loves to show off her Anthropologie buys to her 50,000 subscribers. She has 23,000 likes on this post. And just like, look at this engagement. All right, this is Kezia Cook. Now here's another young lady who's actually modeling dresses, and she's providing a coupon code to her more than 370,000 subscribers. Okay, and here's another woman who's showing off all of the clothing that she bought for the fall with affiliate links for every individual item. Now, the thing is, each of these ladies has a totally different number of followers, so their income potential is very different. But if you want to see the specific amounts that these folks are actually earning, you can go over to my website, or the website advancepay.io, and look at the link in the description, and you'll see all of the promoters for Anthropologie and exactly how much they're earning. And if you sign up for Advanced Pay, you will be able to get access to the contact information and much more information on how to hire these people or contact these people if you are a brand or some sort of marketer. So how do you get that $1,000? As you see, there's not much it takes to sign up and become an Anthropologie affiliate. You sign up for the link share program. You use your wiles and creativity to start promoting Anthropologie products. You can go through their website. You can do it through social media. You could do it in person. You could drop ship it, and you can, and you have a whopping 30 days for each customer that they have to buy from your link, and you can still earn commissions. So if you're interested in getting started, check out the link in the description to sign up for link share. And let me know what your thoughts are on this video and if this is an interesting affiliate program for you. Also, in the comments, let me know, what affiliate program would you like me to review next, or what brand's affiliate program would you like me to review next? Let me know in the description. Again, this is John Crestani here, standing for freedom and family and making freaking money and being frugal and living out our dreams, living out our legacies, creating dynasties, living life to the fullest, traveling the world, doing whatever we want, not waking up to a freaking alarm clock, and living out our lives to the absolute fullest using the power of making money on the internet. If you want to join my mentorship program, link in the description. Like, subscribe, comment. Love y'all. Talk to you soon. Peace. See ya.